Okay, so folks, there are two forms of the parabola, depending on which way the parabola goes. If it goes like this, I need somebody to go up and write down the form for the parabola.
Do I write with just my fingers?
With your fingers. You can pick a different color if you want. We use the letter P because the book does. That's a Y. Whenever the one is squared, it's going to end up with one number in front. So folks, there is the equation that we get if he is a parabola that I will call smiley face. Did you notice? Well, let me ask you, which variable is squared? So the other kind of way that we can get this is we can get a parabola that I will call a lazy parabola. I need somebody to go up other than or and write down the equation for that kind of parabola.
So, quick question. If the 4 is connected to the x and the y is squared, it'd be upside down then?
If p is negative, it makes it go upside down on that side. So p determines which way it is.
It didn't work. So I'm just going to start over.
That's like the little thing about smartboards.
You can make the eraser bigger. Or you can just look like a reaper.
Or we can just erase it that way.
Okay.
That'll work for me.
Wondering.
Good.
Now I'm going to go down here.
Yeah, you can slide it over. Carly, it'll slide over. Good. So if we're labeling these, this point is called the vertex. These H and K. This point is called the focal distance. P 0. If P was negative, it would make him turn the other way. That's the focal point. The focal distance is P. If you double that distance out to here, that's known as the latus recta, which is supposed to be a very faint line that goes across there. Not actually part of the parabola, but you can see if you were to cut him off there, then you'd have a beautiful searchlight, or that'd be an excellent place to do your parabolic listening device if you wanted to listen in on conversations.
Yeah. going around, so that was really cool.
I thought that was very cool.
You should just go in there and talk and
So
share that
this
with us.
distance is up 2p. This distance is down 2p. If you understood that, you should be able to label the same type of thing for this parabola. Give you a minute to make sure that you can sketch that. What are the coordinates of the vertex? Well, actually, I kind of on purpose offset them a little bit. So he's H and K. Try to put a negative in there. Like many things, if you don't know what the program is going to look like, you can't do it unless you know the forms.
Is that saying 0p or 2p?
What would you think is this?
Okay.
You can decide.
Yes, it's 0.
Okay.
I just thought it's always double.
Where is the point 0p? Would you go touch it?
Why can't we just like straight up from like this? Oh, so you're not doing the other side?
Not yet.
Oh. Erica, insert paper. I didn't. I was thinking the entire time. I thought my thoughts out.